Introducing PATHEARN's new feature, hazard reporting, designed to make your drive safer and more informed. As you move along your route, you may encounter different road conditions or hazards. Now, reporting them is quick and effortless. Whenever you notice something ahead, simply tap the hazard button in the bottom left corner. Choose the type of hazard from the menu that appears, and your report will instantly help other drivers nearby stay aware and prepared. For every hazard you report, you'll also earn reward points, turning safer driving into something that truly pays off. To ensure you never miss important information, the app provides voice alerts that notify you of upcoming hazard reports while you drive, helping you stay focused on the road without constantly checking your screen. You can also switch to map view at any time by tapping the map icon in the top right corner. In map view, you'll see reports from other users displayed around your area. You can freely pan and explore the map, or tap the center mode button in the bottom right corner to return to your live moving location. Depending on the country you're in, whenever you enter an average speed zone, a speed indicator will appear in the top left corner. It shows your current average speed, helping you maintain a safe and legal speed throughout the zone. With hazard reporting, you're not just driving, you're helping build a safer road community for everyone. Drive smart, stay aware, and thank you for being part of our journey. PATHEARN. Drive. Scan. Earn.